Subtracting polynomials. Negative 4x plus 9 minus 5x minus 7. I-bring down muna natin yung first expression. Negative 4x plus 9. Niremove natin yung parenthesis. And next, nakikita nyo yung minus sign. I-multiply natin yan dito sa next expressions, each term. So for example, negative times 5x is equal to negative 5x. And then, negative times negative 7 is equal to positive 7. So, ayan. So, next step ay i-combine natin yung like terms. So, yung like terms dito ay negative 4x, negative 5x, 9, and 7. So, i-combine natin. Negative 4x, then minus 5x, and then positive 9 at positive 7. So, proceed na sa operation. Negative 4x minus 5x is equal to negative 9x. And then, 9 or positive 9 plus positive 7 is equal to positive 16. So, negative 9x plus 16. So, hindi na sila pwedeng i-add kasi dissimilar terms na sila. So, ito na yung ating final answer sa problem nito.